Hello and welcome to Ragvi tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you about making simple animation using Vectorian Gitto. You can make a simple animation by the software. See, I made a walking man animation, and you can see that slowly we have added a lot of frames, keyframes. The first, if you see, I have added a round circle. This is the head. These are two legs, and if you go to the bottom, I have these are two hands. These are two legs. I have added here, and altogether this is in first, second, third, and four layers. I have used four layers, and this is the timeline. If you see to the timeline here, I have added up to 140 frames, and slowly if you see, I have added this line. I have added this first, this head, second this hand, then this right hand, then this body line, and uh, then I added his leg. And if you play the movie, see, you can see the legs moving. The legs are moving. So you can see this is a simple animation I have created here of a walking man. Again I will play the movie, and now if you go to movie and play it, you can see it is walking. And now we will export it on a walking man, and save it. This will replace the compress the movie. Okay, and here it is completed, it has been saved. And now if you play the S to the file, you will see that a man is walking. This is a simple and short animation, and I have used four layers, 140, almost 140 frames spread in four layers, and this is how the animation has been made. Thank you.